What's up with him? Are women really that wicked? Poor NVasion. Hopefully he'll have better luck this time.
502-0296. Not any number when she give me fi call. Oh me call is a man I say who this.
Full of style and it's very factual.
Denham Town DJ wannabe trying hard to boss until a girl he likes gives him a wrong number. Wicked or not, the resulting song finally the break NVasion's been looking for.
Them gyal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
NVasion is a go-getter that never sit down and depend on people. Always out there. All if a foot where a foot it so. That people for know really how to.
So the same card that them drop and continue. Me know them try it for the next man again.
Only for youth of the music right now and I struggle. I have connections, yes, but you are going to put it out there for people here. I saw the connections coming up. It's like climbing a maca tree, man, music, just trust me. Like, you know, a whole heap of producer go around and empty promises and them thing there, but when I make them thing they phase with. See me, we just stand up firm and know say we have raw talent.
Baby, so an extra NVasion attack, you know.
Raw talent helped along by BBC One Extra radio host Shawnee B.
It's a week before I go up on the show, my foot broke off of the bike and thing. I never see it possible because I'm in the hospital. The same day I'm go do the freestyle and me and one day say, John, no, I'm not going to get for reach. But you still make it possible, man. You see me? And the last person for perform, Shawnee B, give me a seat. I say, yo, sit down.
His freestyle based on a random encounter with a girl.
Yeah, walking in the town, you know. One rainy day, meet the slimmers and thing and she give me the number. And when me stay, so bam, 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 bam. I make a call, me hear a man answer, so I never really put it for my head still. I just make it rest. But a couple weeks after that, I remember the number now, it pop up and I just give it a flow.
Them gyal wicked, them wicked, them wicked, them gyal wicked.
And I just, as I say in one of the verse them, I know me and you alone I feel it. A couple say them wicked. So whole heap of people can relate. So not like I just share alone me and reason about in the whole song.
But maybe you can't deal with rejection too well.
So who would say that? You can't take rejection, man, boy. It's true. Me and the music, and music is life. You have to just bring it to life, you understand?
Them gyal wicked, them wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
The wicked line striking a chord.
Let me tell you when we really realize that. When I see a whole heap of youth from some different countries stay so. And them say it at the anthem, you know, so them a pledge. Whenever you're an artist, come and down upon it, say oh, them gyal are wicked, them gyal are wicked, them wicked. So that's the whole thing. And the emotions.
Them gyal wicked, them wicked, them.
So you have to show something of yourself. Maybe not everybody wants to do that.
I don't think she should have done with that, you know. She should have done with that, man. Oh, God. But anyway, still.
Them gyal wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gyal wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
Song a blast all over the place, 24/7. Memes and them things, them phone can't sleep when me and sleep, you know. You just share them and do me and for the same way. And go and take them in more and kick back and read the comments them and see what go on and how the people them respond. Some girl say, oh, woman broke him foot in and wait. I'm not watch them still, I'm not watch them face, you know.
So when you ask for a number the next time, you don't expect that the person is going to give you the wrong number?
A whole heap, in a year, whole heap of man say them get mad number, grace, fireman and one bag of thing. Them have them, understand, because them girl in a normal, you know.
But you want somebody to give you their number based on who you are, not on the fact that maybe you're getting some traction on television.
Definitely. Right now, I not even want them number to tell you the truth. I go all I mates right now. I do some music. You see me?
But kiss my teeth and shake me head because she on a Friday night. Tell me how you spend your Friday night.
NVasion makes mention of a family tragedy, but hard to get him to say more.
Well, what really pulled me in the music is just the death of my father and the whole life story. You see it? The whole life story, my life story, so I have to just bring it out in the music.
What does the death of your father have to do with that story?
Motivation, man. What happened in between, you know?
How did your father die?
Whole heap of tragedy, enough tragedy. You understand?
You mean not of natural causes?
Them say a natural cause, but I don't believe in that still. You see it?
You want to share the story?
No, Nah, share that story there now still, you see.
But it still has a big impact on your life.
Yeah man, definitely.
But them wicked, perhaps a life changer for the 22-year-old.
Every youth want to sing that because them go through trauma. You see.
It's a catchy line. It grabs the attention. I can understand why people are like it. But is it true? You actually think girls are wicked?
90% of them.
Them gyal harder than a stone, them out the river. Them we cut you up like backram, me harder than a scissors.
No one sound biased though, but me know say woman a snake, you see me.
Women listen to music too, you know?
Yeah, but they listen to music. That me I tell you, say me love them man. If I love them straight, 24/7, me nah bash them, but them wicked and that's just facts, you see me. Definitely facts. Why you think them love the song so? When I see a girl there, me and I say she is not wicked, she would definitely give me the right number and where. Shake me and I say, Jano. I said, I prove that she wicked now. Should I give me the number from long time when you follow me long time on my page?
So you have a message for the girl who gave you the wrong number?
Love her, say me man, but if you tap you now man, cause no, you still are going with that thing there man. I see. But I say it said still.
And she is pretty.
I never remember.
Producers like Tip God of Drop Top Records linking NVasion. He's on the move.
I like me comfortable again, I can kick back and hold no more real vibes again. Can't sleep for half hour, I'm up.
Thank God for wicked women.
Them gyal are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gyal are wicked, them wicked, them wicked.